So this video is going to show you how to install BiGDUG's van racking. So firstly, you'll need to make sure you've measured up correctly and have ordered all your correct combinations of components. You will then need to remove the lining of your van so that you can then figure out where to add the brackets on the double lining. Place masking tape on the floor where the racking is positioned to use as a marker when fixing the brackets. It's really important that you are careful at this stage to not drill through the exterior of the van or dent it. So once you've added the bracket, you're ready to put the ply back on, so you need to mark up where to drill the hole through the ply. Then you're ready to bolt the racking to the bracket to hold in place. This is how to build the racks. It is important to know what you're putting on the shelves so you can measure the distance between each level. Thank you to BiGDUG for racking my van.